Hello, everyone. Good day. Yeah, thank you for having here, and also invite your friends and family to join this EMS segment. And I'm waiting for you guys actually.
Hello, guys. Hope you're
Yeah,
doing.
hello, sir. Good day.
Hello. Hope you're doing great, everyone.
Yes, definitely. Thank you. And also, we're just waiting for you. And I saw like already a lot of people have joined to learn about and listen about the Crafteo. So I think we can start within 1 minute. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for having here to listen to the same segment, and also people you can invite. This is going to be a great opportunity for the NFT lovers. Actually, I can mention like Crafteo is a revolutionary AI-powered platform that allows anyone to create unique and visually stunning NFT collection with a user-friendly interface and also a strong collaborative community. So yeah, I can see here is our honorable guest. So first of all, sir, could you please say a little bit about yourself? Like how do you engage this project? And also could you say more about your experience?
Um, Hello, guys, again. I'm Milad, CEO of CrafteoAI, and thanks for having me here today. And yeah, me and my friend has just started this application maybe 1 year before. And right now, there are a lot of people working on this application right now, but basically, I'm just um, as a developer. I was working in some companies as a tech lead or also a backend team lead. And we had experience working with decentralized network. I mean, developing Solidity applications and developing a blockchain. So yeah, that's the in general, yeah, that's it. And about the
Okay, yeah.
crafting, yeah,
Yeah,
go
thank
ahead.
you, sir, for that. Yeah, like as I'm going to ask you, like, could you say more about your project, and also then, like, how could you trying to bring evolution in NFT platform?
Yeah, sure. I can start from our journey because we faced a problem, and then we try to make it better, and we came out with CrafteoAI. And it started in 1 year before. We were trying to, with my friend, to have our own NFT collection because the market was really um, suitable for NFT collection in those days. So we started, and uh, then we understood that we have a lot of things we have to take care of. Like we have to hire a lot of people as a designer, developer, and also we have to spend a lot of time and tons of money onto marketing. You said a lot of things you have to take care of those things to just finalize your NFT collection at the end. And so we were thinking about after 2 weeks of research, we were thinking, okay, let's make it. Maybe we can do something better, and we came up with an idea to let's generate our NFT with AI because we had some experience working with some AI models, and yeah, it started with that. And after 2 months of developing some basic AI model from some open source applications, we finally finalized our AI model. That was amazing. Just especially we trained that model for generating AI models. I mean NFT models, and we trained the model from what we had in our market in that moment. So we trained our model with a lot of NFTs that we have already in the market, and the result was really great. So yeah, we just after that we tried to generate our own NFT collection with that AI, and we made it. It was really amazing to see we can have really high quality NFT generated with just AI. So we were thinking, okay, how we should now go and sell and how we should do the marketing. So a lot of other things we have to take care of. And we were thinking, okay, maybe this thing we have created here, maybe we can change it to a general solution for everybody. Everybody can join and just do the same thing as we have done, just some prompts they have to build, and at the end we can end up with some really high quality NFTs, and it's gonna be really fast. So here after that we just change our direction to make it as a platform to have everything in one place. And as we were going on, every other aspects of this project was showing itself. Like we could also handle the marketing, we could handle advertising for your collection, we could handle everything from minting your AI generated image to um, also create your own NFT contract. Yeah, so basically, the Crafteo AI is a platform you can create your own NFT in one place, and with power of AI and every other things you have to do, like marketing, like um, your NFT contract. Everything is just one place. You just don't need to leave this application, and in one place you can have it all at once.
Okay, yeah, thank you. And also, people, to check more information, you can check out their documentation, their website, also to know more about that. And also, as he said, like this going to be like this is actually one place where you will get everything to create your NFTs. Like the Crafteo uses cutting edge AI technology to enable users to generate one of a kind NFT collection. So all you need is a creative vision, and also Crafteo handles the rest actually. So come in and join. So yeah, I have a one more good question. Like as you know, in the rapidly growing NFT market, artists and collectors and also other kind of people, they have faces the several challenges. I can mention like about the fees, and also the market is fragmented right now. So how do you plan to solve these challenges to attract more creators in your craft?
Um, to be honest, the challenge is really hard right now, and we are really understand that we have to do a lot of work to make it possible. And what we were thinking, okay, you can consider some applications you're using right now. It's really hard to use, but some other days you can see, yeah, this is a better application. Is working very faster. It's working very easier. I can give an example like um, Uber. First, Uber has been introduced. Every taxi driver was afraid, oh, okay, they are here to steal our jobs or something. But after maybe 1 month or 2 years, they understood, okay, it's not. It's actually solving some of their problems as well. And we hope, and also we really understanding Crafteo, we can also give so many other use cases to NFT market that we don't have it right now. For example, maybe you want to create your NFT application, and you don't have you want to give everybody that joining your website a unique NFT attached to their profile, something like this. Just easy a use case you can have with NFT right now, but the price of NFT is that much high, you cannot afford something like 1 million NFT for 1 million users in your application. In this way, we are doing this. I mean, the Crafteo AI is just simplify everything. Everything is going to be faster. Everything is going to be really easier. I mean, for generating NFT at least. So at the end of the day, because you spend less resources, the price is going to be lower than usual NFT that we have in market right now, and it's gonna introduce you some new use cases, and everybody will, I mean, so many people will think of a lot of other use cases that can use Crafteo. So also the creators will enjoy this solution. I mean, also someone as an individual that they don't have any background of design or any background of understanding of blockchain, they will get their own NFT collection with ease. So in because we are making this way really easier and really concentrating just one problem here, I'm thinking everybody will join this solution, and uh, it's gonna be the kind of future of NFT generation.
Yes, got it. Thank you. And also, guys, in the NFT ecosystem, there is abounded with a potential and innovation. Like right now, they faces several challenges. So, however, I can say these challenges also represent the opportunities for the further growth and innovation. So, as for like guys, the crafter by leveraging the power of AI, so it can like navigate those hurdles and also revolutionize the NFT market. Like the platform simplifies the process of creating, buying, and selling digital art and making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone and also for the every artist. So it's going to be a great opportunity. Those people who loves NFTs actually. And yeah, like could you say some of your innovative features and also if anyone they need to or they want to generate their NFTs, how can they start?
Yeah, sure. The main feature of the Crafteo AI is our AI model that will generate really unique, with high quality, I mean, uh, image. And also, right now, we're working on some generating video AI model. I hope it's gonna be finished really soon. But this the core of the application, the generating image with AI, is working really well. And you can see in our website right now we have maybe more than 60 generated um, NFT collections that they are really high quality, and they're one of the kind. And also because we train this AI model based on the NFT, just NFT types of image, um, it's just specifically generating something that you will need at the end of the day with NFT collection. And some other features I can say after generating your NFT, you're coming with okay, how should I create a collection? I mean the decentralized contract based on your AI generated image. So in our website, we have something that is called contract builder. You're just choosing the requested image that you have generated and put it all together in one collection. And you just click on one button, and we are creating with the contract builder your contract, and then you can see everything is going to be on that contract, and also all the images are going to be on IPFS. So everything is just blockchain standard. And this is the second feature I have to say is really amazing. After that, you're coming with the marketplace of the Crafteo AI. You can put whatever you have created there into our marketplace. You can see what others have created, and you can buy, sell, and we're trying to also support something like ask and bid for your NFT items in the marketplace. And also, we're thinking in the future we have for your collection, we can also offer INO like you can sell your NFT before they have been published, something like that. Um, I, And we are thinking about the how we can keep the community together into application. Maybe you can come there and just ask someone to generate for you the NFT that you want, so we can create some kind of intermediate job for someone they want to help the others for generating their own NFTs. And they have to just know about the prompt engineering that we are hearing a lot in this market right now. I'm not talking about um, the I'm talking about AI network. You can hear prompt engineering everywhere. I mean the job. So also we can have those people in our application, and they can accept some requests from the community for generating NFT collection for them as well. I
Yes.
guess that's pretty much all the
Yep.
features that currently we have. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. And also, I think like it's very easy. Like when you wanted to enter into their Crafteo, like getting started is very easy. Just you need to guys sign up for an account and follow their prompts to create your first collection, and they'll let your creativity shine. Actually, like their AI will generate your unique NFTs based on your inputs, and also like first of all to strive to make a Crafteo accessible, I can say they're making to easy actually, like they make it easy to access anyone, and also initially they offer the ability to generate NFTs for free. Am I right?
Yes, yeah, it's right. You can also right now go to our website and see how we can create in just a couple of steps. You can generate your NFT. But right now everything is just for proof of concept. We are also in the parallel. We are developing all the features that I said with some other developers. At least we are seven or six developer right now, just working on the backend, the front end application. And in maybe 2 or 3 weeks, we can also deliver all the features that we have created in the last 2 months all together. And you can also get the feature of generating your smart contract into our Crafteo AI right now. But you can experiment. You can go there and you can just imagine whatever you want. In couple of maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you will end up with a pack of images for your NFT collection that you have requested. Right now, everything is free, but at the maybe 2 or 3 months, we're going to actually use our utility token for generating these requests. But that's gonna be really cheap. Don't worry about that. And also, right now, because the load of the site is quite high, we are just expecting for each everybody to request one per, I don't know, maybe 2 hours or something. Sorry about that, but it's gonna be fixed soon after we using our utility token.
Yes, and also guys, for that you just need to stay tuned with them and follow their all kind of social media. So yeah, as you know, security is very important. So let's talk about how secure people like people's data in your Crafteo, and also could you say how can people sell the NFTs that they created before?
Yeah, sure. About the security, I have to say we are um, really spectacle on this part because it's really important. As right now, you can see a lot of applications in the market. They having lack of security, and the users are um, end with losing some money in the application. So we really care about this part, and all the contracts that we have already in our application has been audited by Hacken, and the score was really high. 9.7 we got from Hacken. So you can be really sure about the application is doing exactly what it should do, nothing more and nothing less than what it has to be. And also about the selling and buying in the marketplace, we are completely decentralized application. The only thing we are taking from your side in our backend application, I mean, the only thing we are keeping from the users in our database is just uh, their wallet address as an identity, the public address as an identity, nothing more than that, and um, and every other aspects of selling and buying into our marketplace is happening on decentralized exchange. So in that case, you can be pretty much sure nothing is going to be in the middle of your transaction. Everything is directly happening between the buyer and seller in our marketplace.
Yes, thank you for that. So, guys, no worry about their security system. And also, yeah, as far I know, like in your Crafteo, users can explore limitless possibilities of the digital art. So, can they trade other NFTs in your marketplace? Is that possible in future? Like, could you mention? And also, then I have one more question. Like, can I collaborate, or anyone can collaborate with other artists in your platform?
Um, yes, sure. I have to say we are really um, um, we are really care about our community, and we have to somehow create a community in our application that everybody can contribute to each other. I mean, talking with each other, communicate there as an artist, as a individual that they want to just explore something in the application. So we are also creating something as I don't know how to say, just it's not a social media or something, but just for you say who you are there, and you are talking with the other peoples to understand who can help you with um, generating some NFT collection. And yeah, this is about the community. But sorry, I forgot about your first question. If you don't mind, can you repeat?
Yes, for sure. The first one is like in your platform, can people trade with other NFTs? Is that possible?
Yeah, sure. Sorry about that. I forgot. Um, right now, we are just concentrating in one way, but it is possible. I have to say, you can create your NFT somewhere else. You have your contract, and you just want to put everything into our marketplace. It's quite possible, but right now we're just focusing on one direction from Crafteo AI to outside of the Crafteo AI world. I mean, you can create your NFT collection in Crafteo AI, and at the end, you will end up with your smart contract. And because it's a smart contract not attached to Crafteo AI, you can use it wherever else you want. But from a start, we right now don't support for importing some collection into our platform, but it's quite possible. We were thinking about that. That's gonna be amazing in that case.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you for the clarification, actually. So people get ready with their best question. If you have you can make your own research to know more about their platform, actually. So one more question left before going to live. Like currently there are many NFTs in the market. So what advantages do you have compared to other competitors? And also after that, you can say about your future development plan.
Yes, sure. Um, I have to say because right now you can see the price of NFTs are quite high, and a lot of new NFT collections coming out there. So um, the supply is too much high for this market right now. That's why the price of the NFT is going to drop, and you can see right now it has been really a bad year for NFTs. But on the other hand, when you are using the power of AI in some technologies, it will give you some speed for generating your NFTs, On the other hand, it's gonna a little you're gonna lose the quality of the generated NFTs. But at the end of the day, because you have generated these collection maybe in one day maximum, you can find a really good use case for that collection. You can use it wherever you want into one um, game you're developing, into one application. Maybe you just want it for yourself in your home. You just want to have your NFT on your I don't know, um, your electric canvas in your bedroom or something. So yeah, everybody can enjoy CrafteoAI and this application. Also, I forgot to say the price of what you are creating is too much low that I can say it's nothing. For example, you're just gonna maybe in $10 you can have a collection with maybe 20 or 40 images um, included in that collection. So it's really, really cheap. And that's why it's gonna be the future, I guess, in the NFT marketplace. At least if we don't do it right now, everybody's thinking about the same solution because it's obvious and it's inevitable.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for that. And also, like guys, they have planned to expand their community all over the world, like to make more strategic partners and collaboration. And also, then they have planned to make decentralized governance, and also, like I can say, cross-chain compatible interoperability in future actually. So, guys, stay tuned for that. So it's time to take some question from the community. So they are waiting to ask you a few questions. Are you ready?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay, so I unmuted. First one is Momo. Hello, Momo.
Hello,
Yeah, ask your question, please.
my question is ambassador play a very important role in every project. Do you have an ambassador program? If yes, how can I be one?
Sorry for that. I didn't understand quite well.
Like I think he tries to say about like ambassador programs. That do you have any kind of ambassador programs like to expand your community in all over the world to set up a group of peoples in there and different countries? Is there any kind of plan?
Yeah, sure. Um, our application is quite in the start of phase of the project, so also we're gonna work on the community a lot from now on, and we are in the middle of a way that's we have to everything we have done right now is just with a small team. Right now, we are just trying to accuse some VCs and some maybe we can do some private sale. We are not sure about it, but it's gonna happen really soon in maybe 1 or 2 months. So with this investment we are getting, we can actually focus really well on the our community, and it's gonna grow really fast because we just tried in last months. We just spent something from out of our savings, and it was amazing. Just 1 month, we just trying to some brand awareness somewhere, and everyone was just enjoying the Crafteo AI. So I guess it's gonna be quite easy, but it's a long journey um, we have to do. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for your question. And next one, I can take Zara. Hello, Zara.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, ask your question, please.
Okay, so actually, as I saw that your airdrop program still ongoing on your platform. So what's the requirement to participate in your airdrop? And lastly, when you're taking program live,
Yeah, sure. About the airdrop, if I heard quite well, I guess we made a mistake. Yeah, and we understood it last week. We cannot open our airdrop for now because we are not sure. We were thinking maybe in 2 months we're going to be live, but as I said, we had a lot of problems with the budget. We have to accuse some VCs and a lot of investment we have to make before we can be sure from going live on the launch pads. So that's why we don't want to waste our community time to just go some quest and we don't know how we are going to launch. So right now it just postponed the airdrop, but in as soon as we got our final plan together, we are gonna open it 1 or 1.5 months before the final launch. So it's gonna be there, but right now we just don't want anybody to waste their time for doing something that they are not clear about.
Okay, thank you. And what about this taking program live?
We are thinking maybe maximum is gonna be 6 months, and it is not because oh, we have to make it really in a I mean we don't want to launch with like other projects that they just appearing in 1 month and maybe in 5 months they're done, they're launching, and then everything is dropping from their project. That's why we just want to make sure everything is happening in CrafteoAI is it stays professional, and we want to first also go to some centralized exchanges to make sure our application um, and our launch pool everything is working as expected, working really well, and like a tier one application that you can see right now in the marketplace. So we just may want to make sure everything is in the right place. So I'm gonna say maybe in 6 months we are gonna finish with everything, and after 6 months we have public sale. But before that, maybe we have some pre-sale, or maybe we can have some centralized exchange offering.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Thank you, Zara, for your question. And stay tuned to know more their future plan and updates. Next one is Power. Hello, Power.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, ask a question, please.
My question is, what is the revenue model of the project? In what ways do you generate income and profit?
Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you explain again?
I think he asked about your revenue model, like how do you generate your income or the revenue?
Yeah. Thank you. Um, in our application, we are getting in maybe 2 or 3 ways of money. One is for when you're generating your request. It's gonna be really cheap, but maybe one day you're just doing maybe 100 requests per day. We are getting from the request. You have to pay with our utility token for the request. So this is our one source of income for our application. The other sources can be we are thinking about giving some whoever wants in our application to pay some utility token and become a pro user in the application. So they have some kind of some other features, like they can choose where they want to upload their files for IPFS, or maybe they can provide their own IPFS storage. Um, and a lot of other features can be available for just for pro users, and they have to pay with our utility token. And it's kind of something that we are getting from the community back, but it's not that much high. We are just thinking about the all aspects of this application, how we can scale, how we can um, make money from it. And I'm thinking maybe in first 3 years we are not going to be that much profitable as every other projects, but later we're going to be amazing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Power, for your question. And the next one, Austin.
Uh, Hello. So my question is, can I create NFTs on your platform by writing prompt? If yes, is my prompt will be locked permanently once I generate NFTs through that prompt, so that no one can generate the same NFT using the same prompt word after me?
Yeah, that was really a good question. First of all, yeah, you can right now go on our website and see. You can just put your prompt for generating your own NFT. And about the thing you're asking is our first concern about what we're going to with Crafteo AI, and the problem here is um, uniqueness of the NFT. And I can pretty much say no one can generate the same NFT with the same prompt. You can try as much as you want, but it's not gonna be the same. At least one part of this is gonna be changed. So every image we're generating there is gonna be unique.
Okay, thank you. Got it.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So no worry about the copyright issue. No one can generate as you actually. Thank you, Austin, for your question. And the last one I have, Jones. Hello, Jones.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're asking a question, please.
Okay, so I would like to know that what strategy will you implement to bring non-crypto natives into your ecosystem? Like, how do you keep a balance between developing that technology and also improving the value of your token?
It's a quite hard question to answer.
Yes,
Um,
like you can say the opportunities for the non-crypto users and also like if they join, what kind of opportunities they will get. So I think that's all.
yeah, okay. So I guess yeah, because we're not here just talking about yeah, we're just talking about NFT, but at the end of the day, you can just as an individual go to our website and generate the NFTs because they're really cheap. You don't need to at the end create NFT contract from it. So you can just download everything you have created for yourself, just keep it in, I don't know, hard drive, wherever you want. So I can say just not specifically for generating NFT, but it's some extra feature you can think of it. You can really, with cheap price, you can generate as much as image you want there for yourself. If I'm got it right, I'm not sure. If you don't mind, I can explain more if you need any other things.
Okay, thank you. Very nice project.
Yeah, thank you, like Jones. I think there's nothing to worry about, like your background and others. Like for the non-crypto users, they can join, they can read out their all kind of documentation, and it's quite easy. Like you just need to do some kind of activities to generate your own NFTs. So anyone can join. Like they are created for everyone. No worries about that actually. So thank you, Jones, for your question. So sorry, I think we are on a phone now. Like we need to wrap this segment, but before that, anything else you want to share, like any advice or any important things you want to share?
The only thing I want to say, just as you said already, the platform is really easy to use and every documentation is really easy to read also. You can visit our website and we also have a AI assistant in our website. It knows everything about the Crafteo AI and about the document. You can ask there whatever you want. It will help you. It's just the AI will help you to understand what we are doing and what are the other phases coming up. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time, guys. It was really amazing to be here and thanks for having me.
Yes, thank you, sir, for having here. And also, like people, if you have any more question about their project or platform, you can ask through their Telegram or other social media link. And also to know more, as I mentioned, you can go through their all kind of documentation, actually, like how it works and also other. So thank you for your time and everyone, and also best visit your platform for the future. Actually, good day.